Hello and welcome to Learn Spanish Libre. Are you ready to learn Spanish? If so, let's do this. Today you will learn how to ask someone's birthday and how to respond. Also, you will learn how to tell your birthday. Let's begin. So to ask, how old are you? This is how you say it. ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Remember to repeat after me. I will say the English version one time and you say, and then we will say the Spanish version 3 times. And that's when you repeat after me 3 times. Let's continue. And this is how you respond. I'm 25 years old. Tengo 25 años. Tengo 25 años. Tengo 25 años. Question. How old is Pedro? ¿Cuántos años tiene Pedro? ¿Cuántos años tiene Pedro? ¿Cuántos años tiene Pedro? This is how you respond. He is 21 years old. Él tiene 21 años. Él tiene 21 años. Él tiene 21 años. Let me explain this right here, why I didn't write down 21. 21, it's 21. However, it is in a different way of saying it, which I am not going to get into detail about how to write this down. However, on the 20s, between the 20th and the 30th, the 21st, this is how you say it. 21 años. Él tiene 21 años. Question. When is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? And this is how you respond. It's June the 6th. Es el 6 de junio. Es el 6 de junio. Es el 6 de junio. Now, the months in Spanish are not written down with a capital. Okay, they are always written down with a lowercase. Unlike English, they're always written down with a capital. Let's continue. Question. When is your mother's birthday? ¿Cuándo es el cumpleaños de tu mamá? ¿Cuándo es el cumpleaños de tu mamá? ¿Cuándo es el cumpleaños de tu mamá? Answer. It's July 30th. Es el 30 de julio. Es el 30 de julio. Es el 30 de julio. Very good, very good. You're doing progress. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before we continue so I can get more views and I can get more of these nice Spanish lessons that I will be uploading. Let's continue. Oh, we have activities. Here we go. So I decided to put some activities here so you can either answer them orally or write them down. If you can write them down, you can also pause the video, of course, and then write the question down and then answer it. That will help you how to write it and how to answer it. Or if you just want to answer them orally, that will be also fine. Here we go. ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cómo eres? ¿Cómo es tu amigo? Now, if you don't know how to do this, the previous lesson or two lessons prior to this one, I believe that I explained how to describe people. ¿Cómo es tu amigo? ¿Cuántos años tiene tu amigo? And this is it for this one. This is the end of this class. Do not forget to sign up for it. Don't forget to subscribe to continue getting your free classes. I know I just started uploading videos, but I will be continuing uploading videos at least 3 times a week. That will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. Gracias. Hasta luego.